What happens when you eat Thai-inspired mango salad? Eating Thai-inspired mango salad can be a delightful experience with several potential outcomes. When you enjoy a Thai-inspired mango salad, the refreshment aspect goes beyond just quenching your thirst. Here are some additional points. Hydration. Mangoes and vegetables like cucumbers have high water content, contributing to hydration. This can be especially refreshing on hot days or after physical activity. Cooling sensation. The combination of chilled ingredients, tangy dressing, and fresh herbs can provide a cooling sensation, making it a perfect choice for cooling down during warm weather. Citrus zing. The lime juice in the dressing adds a zesty, citrusy flavor that can awaken your taste buds and leave you feeling revitalized. Cleansing. The natural enzymes in fruits like mangoes can aid in digestion and promote a feeling of internal cleansing, contributing to an overall sense of refreshment. Mental refreshment. Enjoying a flavorful and visually appealing salad can also provide a mental refreshment, offering a break from heavier or more indulgent meals and leaving you feeling energized and rejuvenated. Balanced nutrition. Along with refreshment, the salad offers a balanced combination of nutrients, providing a feeling of nourishment without weighing you down. In summary, the refreshment you experience when eating a Thai-inspired mango salad encompasses both physical and sensory aspects, leaving you feeling hydrated, cooled, and mentally invigorated. Thai-inspired mango salad offers several nutritional benefits, making it not only delicious but also good for your health. Vitamins and minerals. Mangoes are rich in vitamins A and C, essential nutrients that support immune function, skin health, and vision. Bell peppers are also high in vitamin C, while cucumbers provide vitamins K and B, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. Antioxidants. The salad ingredients, including mangoes, bell peppers, cilantro, and mint, are packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants contribute to overall health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Fiber. Mangoes and vegetables like cucumbers are excellent sources of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health, regulates blood sugar levels, and promotes a feeling of fullness. A diet high in fiber is associated with a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. Healthy fats. If using peanuts or sesame oil in the salad, you'll also benefit from healthy fats. Peanuts contain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can help lower cholesterol levels. Sesame oil is rich in omega-6 fatty acids and has antioxidant properties. Low in calories. Thai-inspired mango salad is typically low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a great option for those watching their calorie intake while still getting essential vitamins and minerals. Hydration. The high water content of mangoes and cucumbers contributes to hydration, which is important for overall health and well-being. Overall, Thai-inspired mango salad provides a nutrient-rich and flavorful combination of ingredients that can support your health and provide a satisfying meal or side dish. Satisfaction when eating Thai-inspired mango salad goes beyond just feeling full. Here are some aspects of satisfaction you might experience. Texture contrast. The salad offers a delightful contrast of textures, from the juicy sweetness of the mangoes to the crispness of the vegetables and the crunch of the peanuts. This interplay of textures can provide a satisfying eating experience, engaging your senses with every bite. Flavor complexity. The combination of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors in the salad creates a complex and harmonious taste profile that can satisfy your palate. Each ingredient contributes its own distinct flavor, resulting in a well-balanced and satisfying dish. Fulfillment. Despite being light and refreshing, Thai-inspired mango salad can be surprisingly filling due to its fiber-rich ingredients like mangoes and vegetables. This can leave you feeling satisfied and content after eating, without any heaviness or discomfort. Healthy indulgence. Enjoying a flavorful and nutritious salad like this can provide a sense of satisfaction that comes from nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. It's a guilt-free indulgence that leaves you feeling good about your food choices. Culinary adventure. Exploring the flavors of Thai cuisine through dishes like mango salad can be a satisfying culinary adventure, broadening your palate and appreciation for different tastes and ingredients. It's an opportunity to step outside your culinary comfort zone and discover new favorites. Social enjoyment. Sharing Thai-inspired mango salad with friends or family can enhance the satisfaction of the meal, creating a shared experience of enjoyment and connection around the dinner table. Overall, satisfaction when eating Thai-inspired mango salad encompasses both physical and emotional aspects, leaving you feeling fulfilled, nourished, and delighted by the flavors and textures of this delicious dish. Thai-inspired mango salad can contribute to digestive health in several ways. Fiber-rich ingredients: mangoes, vegetables like cucumbers and bell peppers, and herbs like cilantro are all rich in dietary fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Improved digestive regularity: the fiber content in the salad helps bulk up stool and move it through the digestive tract more efficiently. This can help alleviate symptoms of constipation and promote regularity, leading to a healthier digestive system overall. Gut microbiota support: the fiber and phytonutrients in fruits, vegetables, and herbs act as prebiotics, which nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A diverse and healthy gut microbiota is associated with improved digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. Reduced bloating and discomfort: the light and refreshing nature of Thai-inspired mango salad, coupled with its fiber-rich ingredients, can help reduce bloating and discomfort often associated with heavier or less digestible meals. This can leave you feeling lighter and more comfortable after eating. Digestive enzymes: mangoes contain natural enzymes like amylases, which aid in the breakdown of carbohydrates, and proteases, which help digest proteins. These enzymes can support the digestive process and may help alleviate symptoms of indigestion or bloating. Hydration: proper hydration is essential for digestive health, and the high water content of mangoes and cucumbers in the salad can contribute to your overall hydration status, supporting optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. In summary, Thai-inspired mango salad can promote digestive health through its fiber-rich ingredients, support for beneficial gut bacteria, and hydration properties, contributing to a healthier and more comfortable digestive system. Exploring and enjoying Thai-inspired mango salad offers a wonderful opportunity for cultural appreciation in several ways. Understanding Thai cuisine: Thai cuisine is renowned for its vibrant flavors, fresh ingredients, and harmonious balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy tastes. By preparing and savoring dishes like mango salad, you gain insight into the culinary traditions and food culture of Thailand. Ingredient diversity: Thai cuisine often incorporates a diverse range of ingredients, including tropical fruits, aromatic herbs, pungent spices, and savory sauces. Thai-inspired mango salad showcases this diversity with its combination of mangoes, vegetables, herbs, and flavorful dressings, allowing you to appreciate the complexity and richness of Thai flavors. Culinary techniques: learning to prepare Thai dishes like mango salad introduces you to unique culinary techniques such as balancing flavors, using fresh herbs and spices, and creating vibrant presentations. These techniques reflect the creativity and skill of Thai chefs and highlight the artistry involved in Thai cooking. Cultural significance: mango salad holds cultural significance in Thai cuisine and is often enjoyed as a refreshing appetizer or side dish, particularly during the hot summer months. Understanding the cultural context in which dishes like mango salad are enjoyed enhances your appreciation for their culinary value and importance in Thai culinary traditions. Global connection: exploring Thai cuisine fosters a sense of global connection and appreciation for diverse food cultures around the world. Through dishes like mango salad, you can connect with people from different backgrounds, share culinary experiences, and celebrate the universal pleasure of good food. Cultural exchange: sharing Thai-inspired dishes with friends and family provides an opportunity for cultural exchange and dialogue. By introducing others to the flavors and traditions of Thai cuisine, you promote cross-cultural understanding and appreciation, fostering connections and mutual respect. In summary, enjoying Thai-inspired mango salad is not just about savoring delicious flavors. It's also a journey of cultural exploration and appreciation that deepens your understanding of Thai cuisine and fosters connections with diverse culinary traditions. Overall, eating Thai-inspired mango salad can be a delicious and fulfilling experience, providing both physical nourishment and sensory enjoyment.